I've already gotten the party started. You can't see it, but there's the whole thing. And we have a crew for Jay's Bar tonight, everybody. Yes! Les, Mike, how you doing, buddy? Mallow, Rob, Justin there, you know. All that, we're making
Rob's tacos.
We're making Rob's tacos there.
I'm trying to cut tomatoes.
Mallow's trying to cut her thumb off. I mean, the tomatoes up. Oh, that goodness. That was from the infamous. Wait, I should get. What should I get? Should I get the spoon?
No. I learned my lesson.
Yeah. All right.
What? My lesson.
The infamous spoon picture. Look at the spice. The spice he has. Chipotle. You think? You think there?
You think?
You think?
Damn.
That's what this winds up being.
We will not have a mouth by the end of the night.
You won't have an ass by tomorrow morning either.
No, you really won't.
I once went to Chipotle, the restaurant, and
I like Chipotle.
Chipotle, right?
I said Chipotle.
But they said, you know, one lady was asking, so what is the carnitas? Like, how hot is it? And the guy's like, well, what do you mean, lady? And she's like, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10. And he says, you'll feel it tomorrow.
Best answer you could ever give.
Yeah, pretty much. That's good. So yeah, so this is what we're doing here, and we haven't. Anybody need a drink there?
You don't.
Wait. You could always go for a drink. You could always go, and she's got the drinking hat on, and she's got the drinking hat on. Awesome.
Yeah.
Terribly awesome. So what kind of drink would you like?
Whatever you can make me, Jay.
Ah, I can make a whole bar. Mike, anything?
I'll get a beer.
Beer. Would you like a Schaefer? Okay. Liz? Very good. I have one more of those peach rum. Hey, yeah, happy birthday to me. Cool.
Next week is my birthday.
Phil, why didn't you tell me? I could have had everything prepared. Oh God, these people! Everybody in these people. You have to have your birthday in Failberry?
Yes, so it's every year. Every year in Failberry.
Idea.
I think, because my dad's going away to Guatemala this weekend.
Oh, now we're talking Mexican, so we gotta get out of here. All right, I got some drinks to fill. Oh, it's Rob's meat.
That's mine.
You're cooking your meat? Wow. And he jizzed in the pan.
Get those.
But it's not preheated yet.
Fucking oven.
Oh, boo. See, we gotta put these in. Look at that. Look at this dangle. We got a dangler. See it? Gee, I never knew that tacos would be on video like that. Just put the camera in. Oh, wait a minute. No, I guess not.
Are you recording? I look like you're going to put your camera in.
I was. But I said, yeah, you know, the hell with it. We'll save it for now. So we got the starty party. Hey, we got the chef here. Oh, so you can't do that on video, Jay. You can't turn it side. Oh, yeah. So anyway, yeah, we got that. Oh, you're doing the flow? All right, we got to take a picture now.
Oh! Now they're angry.
It's Dora the Explorer, the Conquistadora. Oh boy. You're sad? Are you sad? Oh, we're all sad now.
Is she really sad? No, no.
Terrible.
How could they do that to little children?
Mr. Hooper.
No. It's the weekend and not you do it. Oh, God.
It's all about Mr. Hooper, isn't it?
you did.
and
Oh, this guy. This guy's
yeah.
awesome. I love this
Yeah,
guy.
read today is terrible.
Guess what, honey? I'm pregnant. Oh my God. I saw the kick. Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cyanide and happiness is awesome.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
awesome thing.
Except when they do
Questionable content
Depressing
is my-
Comics Week.
Oh, they had a week for that.
Yeah, once a year they do Depressing Comics Week where it's like not even funny. It's just really
She's on the phone.
depressing comics.
Really? What,
Yeah.
cyanide and...
Yeah,
Everybody's
once
having a
every
good
year.
time. Rob is
When?
breaking things again.
I don't know, it's in their archives.
I love questionable content. I read that webcomic religiously. I know you do. Awesome. Like, it's on my tabs tonight,
What,
like,
next
for
week?
It's midnight.
I have no
Mike,
idea
you know,
what's
and I'm
going on.
here
I'm
For the
drunk.
past like 4 years.
You are?
Wait, once
But
a
when?
year.
Slightly, a little bit.
Next week they're doing it?
You know, I'm having a Crossfit Brandberry shot.
I don't know a shot of what, but...
A shot? A shot of what? What's she doing a shot of? What are you doing a shot of? What's she doing a shot of?
151.
151. You doing a shot of 151? I don't have 151.
Captain Morgan!
Yeah.
Southern Comfort!
Oh, God, no.
Silco!
Oh.
Alright, we'll see about this
blue
shot.
one.
Could it actually be? Yes, it is. Why, it's Jay's Bar After Hours again. So here we are. It's February, and I got frigged over big time on the 907. Yeah, hammer down, chooch it. So yeah, the guy from the furniture place came, and his name was Dan, and he fucked everything up even worse than it was, and then said, I don't know, you'll get a call. That's exactly what happened. And I said, I don't believe I'll get a call. And he's like, bye. And he ran out. So, let's wait and see what happens with that. But in the meantime, it's kind of sort of a little fixed, a little better than it was, but it's still fakakta. Yep, you knew I was going to say fakakta, and I said fakakta. So we had a large party tonight. I didn't know exactly how many people were coming, but we ended up with Alyssa, Rob, and Mallow, and Mike, her boyfriend, and Justin, who hasn't been here in forever as usual, and me, and you know, Patty came by after work, you know, just because she actually lives here. That. So and we had Rob's Tacos again, and everybody's asshole is flared out, even though nobody's shit yet. So yeah, it's awesome. So there's going to be trouble tomorrow morning, and so that's on the next item of news. We had quite a party tonight. I remember putting about 4 empty bottles over there in the pile. So we finished up a lot of stuff, and that means that I gotta go to the liquor store and buy a lot more liquor. You know, candy is dandy, but liquor is quicker. So I'm having a beer, you know. It's funny because we all drank, and we all got drunk, and then we had dinner, and then everybody like sobered up after that. And nobody was drunk anymore. It sucked. So we all had to come back down to the bar and get drunkard again. And we had the magical drinking hats out. Apparently the Diet Coke is drinking. And I was talking about the bulbs here, because this is the last little item on the list here. We got an MR16. It actually says here somewhere, which you'll never be able to see anyway. But it does say MR16. It's a 50-watt bulb. And this is an MR11 10-watt bulb, because it's, you know, littler, you know, because they go like this and they make fanciness. Like that. Because when I had Scott Becker over, the guy who fixed the wall, I showed him the bar, and he sounds like he might end up drinking with us, and cut me a few nice deals there. But I turned everything on, and the Corona guy here did not light up. So I knew that it burned the fuck out, and I said, oh, fuck, and I ended up, after everything was said and done, found these bulbs at Lowe's for $8 for a 2-pack or some crap like that, but I got them now, and they're not, you know, halogen variety like that. They're xenon, but we'll see how bad those are and how short they last. Yeah, so that's pretty much the deal. So we had a Thursday with Matt and Sam, and a Friday with everybody else, and keeping the people segregated there, because that's when it ends up working out, and we'll figure out some time when everybody can all get together and have a whole fucking shindig. But it was, it's been a lot of just Matt and Sam lately, which there's nothing wrong with, but it's just been like 2-3 people at a time, and now suddenly we get a crowd of like 7, you know, including us, and it was a lot, you know, there were a lot of people, and I just keep banging the drinks out, and I ended up, this is because last night we drank, you know, like I said, and now I ended up with a whole, see, I actually cleaned the beer out of the sink and that, and now I ended up with a whole fucking sink full of glasses, which will have to go in the dishwasher, which is kind of concocted, but works anyway, because of the hose deal. And Justin had a big fail. Big fail. He failed all of the jokes. They're all jizz in my pants now. And that. And then there's some beers in there and that. So, yeah, everything. And the shaker. And I have that many glasses. We went through every Coke glass. And there's 3 little ones of the Coke glasses. And probably another 1 or 2 upstairs and that. And some shot glasses, and yeah, it was definitely a drinking night because all that was empty. So I'm going to finish up my beer. I have beer that I'm beering. And that's the deal. So look at that. It's not even that terribly foggy anymore. Although still kind of a little bit. Still got the nice lens flare. It's actually almost all together. So that's it. Go to bed, and tomorrow it's going to snow again. It's been every week now. First it was every 2 weeks, and that we could deal with. And then they said, oh, fuck that, we're going to have to make it every week now. And then they said, oh, fuck that, now twice a week. So we've been having snowstorms twice a week now. And that's the deal. So that's winter 2011. And Patty had said that we ought to have another month of spring to make up for this terrible winter, which I wholeheartedly agree with. But of course is probably never going to happen. One can wish, of course. So we'll see what the deal is. And that's the deal. So this is too much babbling now, but it usually is, wasting precious gigabytes on the 907 with the hammer down choo-choo. Yeah. So, yeah. All right. Bye-bye.